Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to delete photos from your Google Photos but keep them on your iPhone, you can do so by managing your photos and Google Photos settings separately. Here's a detailed guide on how to achieve this. Let's get started. The first step is to launch the Google Photo apps on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store. Now browse through the Google Photos library and select the photos you wish to delete. Once you have selected the photo you want to delete, tap the trash can icon at the top right corner of the screen. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Move to Trash or Delete to confirm. The selected photo will be moved to the trash bin folder. If you have your Google Photo app sync with the photo app on your iPhone, then you will find the picture deleted in the trash can in the photo app. You can always manage this Google Photo setting by turning off the backup and sync option if needed. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and delete photos from your Google Photos while keeping them safe on your iPhone. This way, you can maintain control over what is stored in your Google Photo account without losing any of your precious image on your device. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe. And I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.